Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting the height of their dishwasher? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Position dishwasher. Place the dishwasher near the intended installation spot on a flat surface. Step 2. Stabilize dishwasher. If the space is higher than 820 m, stabilize the dishwasher with a piece of timber between it and the benchtop. Step 3. Remove worktop. Remove the worktop by unscrewing the screws at the rear and lifting it off. Step 4. Adjust feet. Adjust the feet of the dishwasher to match the floor's slope and ensure it is level by turning the adjustable feet. Step 5. Slide in. Carefully slide the dishwasher into the opening, ensuring hoses and cables are not bent or pinched. Step 6. Check stability. Check the stability by opening and closing the door smoothly without obstruction. Now you should be able to adjust the height of your Westinghouse WSF6606XA Dishwasher with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Westinghouse users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.